marketing and sales. A lot of time people confuse themselves saying that marketing and sales is one and the same thing, which is absolutely not, right? So when I talk about sales, sales is in particular selling that product to the final customer. Okay, sales is something which is selling that product to the final customer, delivering that product in the hands of the consumer. Okay, in the hands of the consumer. A consumer is somebody who consumes the product. Okay, a consumer is somebody who consumes the product, or a consumer is somebody who consumes the utility of the product. What do you mean by utility of the product? Utility का मतलब होता है उपयुक्तता. ये product किस चीज में काम आएगा? If I were to say that I am consuming this iMac का mouse, I would be wrong. I am not consuming this actually, right? I am not consuming it. The only thing that I am consuming is the utility of this. I am using this, right? I am not consuming the iMac. I am using the utilities. Whatever features that the iMac has, I am consuming them again and again, over and over, right? So in the economical language, when you talk about economics as such, economics is driven by the utility. Marketing is product features. It's one and the same. मैं Red Bull की केस स्टडी आपको बताता हूँ. Red Bull की मैं आपको केस स्टडी बताता हूँ. Red Bull ने प्रमोट कैसे करा? It's a very interesting case study. What did Red Bull do when Red Bull got into the market? What did Red Bull do? Is Red Bull started giving free samples. Free samples. Use it, feel it, understand it, then buy it. So if you like it, then you buy it. Else, you don't buy it. More than that, they went with herd mentality. They went with herd mentality. What did they do? They started dumping empty cans in the garbage bin, in the dustbin, right? In the garbage bin, in the dustbin, they started dumping their free cans, right? And then people started looking at it. कि okay, ये क्या चीज है? ये Red Bull है. अच्छा, ये क्या है? Energy drink है. Oh, you know what? यहाँ पे तो 100 cans है. It means there are people that are consuming it like anything. Okay, hundreds of people are consuming this. Let me try this out. So it's a herd mentality. If people are following, I am also going to be following that. As simple as that. Shadi.com, right? Shadi.com कैसे promote कर रहा है खुद को? They are using the television media. They are using the social media. They are using YouTube. Every possible thing they are using, right? But Shadi.com कैसे promote कर रहा है? शायद नहीं, sure हो जाओ. Getting the point? शायद नहीं, sure हो जाओ. So they are hitting the mentality. यार, you don't think that okay, I might sign into Shadi.com or Jeevansati.com and I might get a soulmate or life partner. They are saying that you can be assured of it that if you are here, you will be getting it, right? So there are a lot of companies, the way they actually market their product, the kind of the mediums of marketing they use is that's called as promotion. Now there are a lot of companies, what they would do is that they will have some street plays, right? They'll do some street plays. If the product is so consumer friendly, they'll go with the street plays. They will have demonstration impact. Now you might have seen there are a lot of bus stops, right? This works very well abroad maybe. I'll give you an example of Oppo mobile phone, right? When Oppo came into India, Oppo was there on the television, but as a human being, you cannot watch television for more than 8 to 10 hours. See, unless you are well, you really have nothing to do in your life, and you are so bloody, you're too, lazy to even get up out of the couch. So what did Oppo did? Oppo started with a demonstrative impact. So they had a tie-up with in Mumbai, they had a tie-up with Metro. So हर एक metro में they had celebrity, which is ऋतिक रोशन को लाया उन्होंने. तो सेलिब्रिटी का भी उन्होंने प्रमोशन में यूज करा. तो प्रमोशन में आप 4-5 चीजों को क्लब करके प्रमोशन कर सकते हो. तो सेलिब्रिटी को लाया, सेलिब्रिटी को लाके उसका फोटो चिपका दिया एंड वहां पे उसका मेट्रो के हर जगह पे उसका नाम लिख दिया. रेलवे स्टेशन पे जहां पे बॉम्बे जैसे शहर में इतनी ज्यादा आबादी है, तो उन लोगों ने वहां पे होर्डिंग्स लगाना चालू कर दिया, राइट? सो इट्स अ डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव इंपैक्ट. सो यू आर लुकिंग एट ओप्पोज एड व्हेन यू आर एट होम. तो आप घर पे आ गए, आप थके मरे हो, आप घर पे बैठे हो, आपने टेलीविजन ऑन किया, ओप्पो आपके सामने आ गया. आप सुबह घर से बाहर निकले, आप रेलवे स्टेशन पे खड़े हो, ओप्पो की एड आपके सामने है. आपने रेलवे में एंटर करा, ओप्पो का छोटा बैनर आपके सामने है. आप मेट्रो से जा रहे हो, ओप्पो का छोटा सा बैनर आपके सामने है. आप अगर बस भी देखते हो तो भी उसका ओप्पो का बैनर आपके सामने है. So it's kind of a visual impact. All the time it works with you. iPhone came into the market. iPhone never went ahead with the hoardings, and iPhone never went ahead with the celebrity. I have seen only one ad wherein I have actually seen Apple involving celebrity in the ad. I mean that is like what, after so many decades of time. But again, Apple would connect people by taking the people in their advertisement which are like common people, so that common people can also connect. You don't really have to have celebrity. So guys, there are a lot of ways of promotion. The way you want to promote, you can promote it. You can go for sampling. पहले जमाने में ये बहुत होता था कि samples बेचे जाते थे, and because of that samples ये चलता था. So that's the way you need to understand that how do you promote your product is going to be really important. Now, on the other hand, promotion has a drawback also. आप promote कैसे करते हो किस product को, ये उसकी quality बताता है. You cannot afford as an Apple to promote your product across the streets. You can't have that demonstrative impact. You can't have product demo across the street. You can't have hoardings of your product in the area wherein you feel that people aren't going to buy iPhone. So probably you will see iPhone ke hoardings or Apple ke hoardings close to airport, or probably in the locality which are like sort of corporate driven, something like that. So that promotion positioning is also important. ये पुराने concepts है, ये बहुत पुराने concepts है, like promotion. But आज फंडा क्या चल रहा है कि आपकी promotion की positioning भी बताता है कि आपका product क्या level पे चलता है. There are certain perfumes, there are certain colognes, they can never be available in free. The moment you walk into the mall and if somebody tells you, ma'am, sir, please come in, here is a free sample of cologne, you're like, free है मतलब cheap है, नहीं लेना. भले वो बॉटल 10-15 हजार की हो, फ्री है तो cheap है. सिंपल सी बात. रेयर है तो महंगी है, भले वो प्रोडक्ट कितना भी बेकार हो. So the moment you choose promotion methodology, even that decides what sort of customer you're targeting. There was this movie. What was the name of that movie? Ragini was here, right? Ragini था या क्या था उसका नाम? You remember पूरे malls में, multiplexes में, हाँ Ragini MMS was the movie, right? And they said that Ragini was here. वो footstep के निशान वो print करे थे उन्होंने mall में, उन्होंने वो print करे थे lift में, उन्होंने वो print. What a beautiful way of promoting the movie, guys. Do you know that movie? I've never seen that movie. I don't know what sort of movie is that. But that point in time when the movie was about to release, the first I think उसके sequel भी आए थे, if I'm not wrong. But जब पहली बार वो movie आई थी, क्या promotion करा था उन लोगों ने? हर जगह वहां पे उन्होंने print लगाए थे. And everybody is like, Ragini was here. तो वो हुआ क्या? वो इतना छप गया लोगों के दिमाग में कि जब लोग आते थे, लोग बाहर जाते थे, Ragini was here. Even in the washroom, literally on the door, I had seen those things. Ragini was here. And वो इतना दिमाग में छप गया कि all the time तुम्हें वही दिखता है कि यार इधर जाओ रागिनी इधर जाओ. So ये चीज क्या है भाई? What is happening here, right? तब पता चला कि अरे यार ये एक मूवी है जो भी मूवी बन रही है. And when the movie came in, people actually went for it. See, the point here is that movie was bakwas or movie was bekar. See, that's a different ball game altogether. The point is that अगर मैं एक मूवी बनाता हूँ, अगर उस मूवी से मेरे को 40-50 crores मिलने वाले थे, मैंने उसकी मार्केटिंग इस वे में करी कि एक्चुअली मेरे को 80 से लेके 90 crores मिले. You getting my point? This is the movie Sui Dhaga. Do you remember how Sui Dhaga was promoted? Varun Dhawan and what is that I don't know, what's that actress, man? Virat ki wife Anushka Sharma. Do you know how they promoted Sui Dhaga? Have you guys seen? They actually, उन्होंने actually वो portrait बनाया था. हर जगह उन्होंने अपने sort of उन्होंने वो statues लगाए थे जो धागे से actually बने थे. उन्होंने वो लगाए थे और लोगों में इतनी curiosity आई थी कि यार ये क्या चल रहा है, ये यहाँ पे क्यों रखा है. And that's how people got to it, so creating a curiosity about it. There is a best way about sewing machine. That's right, चौपाटी पे उन्होंने sewing machines रखी थी, बहुत सारी उन्होंने चीजें बनाई थी. And that is something I really loved, the way they actually did it. Was really amazing. I'll tell you about Apple. The way Apple does. Apple creates a lot of curiosity. Apple creates a lot of inquisitiveness in people's mind. You know what? अगला product क्या होगा? अगला एयरपॉड क्या आएगा, अगला मैकबुक क्या आएगा, ये होगा क्या, वो होगा क्या. एंड देन देयर आर लॉट ऑफ यूट्यूबर्स, यू नो, दे क्रिएट दिस वीडियोस एंड दे अपलोड इट, एंड दैट्स हाउ पीपल आर, यू नो, एक्चुअली वेटिंग फॉर इट. ऑल द टाइम वी लुक आउट फॉर आईफोन कि भाई इस बार आईफोन में क्या होगा. So this is the iPhone that I'm using. So people say that इस बार iPhone में यहाँ पे लाइट्स आएगी, यहाँ पे लाइट्स आएगी, राइट. ये जो पीछे वाला है ये ट्रांसपेरेंट हो जाएगा, जैसे एप्पल ने पहले बनाया था, अंदर का दिखता था, पहला वाला जो स्टीव जॉब्स ने बनाया था. ऐसे नए 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 नई चीजें आएंगी, राइट. People talk about it, like people come up with anything कि यार एप्पल को स्टिक देने वाले हैं या फिर something, and people become so inquisitive. Even this is a part of your promotion. It's not an ethical promotion. It's just that, you know, holding on to people. You know what? Don't buy anything. Don't buy anything. So this is iPhone 12 Pro Max. Okay. Now इसकी कॉस्ट कम है गैलेक्सी फोल्डिंग वाला. यू टेल मी सबसे ज्यादा मार्केटिंग किसकी हुई, गैलेक्सी फोल्ड या आईफोन? सबसे ज्यादा प्रमोशन किसका हुआ था? फोल्ड वाले का हुआ था या आईफोन में हुआ था? अंडरस्टूड? फोल्ड वाले का हुआ था, बराबर. दे मेड इट वेरी नाइस. फिर भी सेल्स क्यों नहीं हुआ? फिर भी सेल्स क्यों नहीं हुआ? These guys, the iPhone guys, they create that inquisitiveness in your mind. You are holding on to it. You don't know as a customer कि ये प्रमोशन का आइडिया है, बट आपको ये जानना था कि आईफोन कुछ नया ला रहा है, कुछ यूनिक ला रहा है, कुछ नया ला रहा है, कुछ यूनिक ला रहा है. एंड देन कम्स गैलेक्सी.